Embark on a journey to Tahaa, an island that shares its breathtaking lagoon with Raiatea. Immerse yourself in the splendor of the most exquisite coral gardens, where the water is as clear as crystal. Feel the allure of Tahaa's vanilla, its scent as intoxicating as the island's beauty, and marvel at the lustrous Tahitian black pearls. Amidst the exploration, indulge in a sumptuous lunch on a picturesque motu. The flavors of the local cuisine will complement your sensory experience, making it a feast not just for the palate, but for the soul. Before you depart, take a half day to uncover the secrets of Raiatea. Visit the ancient Mare Taputapuatea, a site of great cultural significance, now honored as a UNESCO World Heritage Site since July 2017. Journey through the Faroa Valley and glide along the river that weaves through it, culminating in a refreshing swim in Raiatea's inviting lagoon. This is an adventure that promises to enrich your understanding of the island's rich heritage. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.